Hi guys, so today I have Qubo Go. It's audio sunglasses. It's an Hero Group product. So let's see what it has. So they says that it has an audio inbuilt mic and a UV protection glasses, unisex, which is great, with a quick voice assistant, Bluetooth 5.0 with up to 6 hours of play time. So I think we don't need headphones many more. Headphones and sunglasses in a same set. So let's see how it is, what it is. Packaging looks very dope, interesting. Okay, so this is the glasses, I believe. Manuals. Oh, it's very lightweight actually. I thought it will be like weighted, but no, not at all. Very nice, very sleek finish. I can see this audio thing. Let me just wear and listen to some audio. This is really great actually. I was not expecting this, but this is too good actually. And even that UV protection, it really works. It's a very interesting product. Why don't we give a try? You can get this in your nearest mobile zone store. More details on the description.